call this place the Meadow. So yeah, just around the corner from my house, but it is, it's something else up here.
I know exactly what to do. We need to find something somewhere new. Let's bring this up, higher, higher. You will go far, I know you are.
So let's talk about stuff. Stuff is a big thing. We all want more stuff, more things to make us happy. And we know that doesn't make us happy, but we still want it. I find myself scouring the Amazons and the eBays quite often. New lenses, new toys. But I also have 3 kids at home. And one amazing thing that happened when I had kids is it really focused my time. In other words, it made me really value time. And what I've noticed with every new toy you get is it takes a little bit of a chunk of your free time. Okay, so here's how much time you have in a day. Here's how much is taken up from working, doing chores, doing all the stuff that you have to do, you don't have a choice for. So that leaves this much as free time. And the more things that you have that take up your time, the less time you have to enjoy all of your things. It's a contradiction. You want more things, but you'll never have time to use it. You'll never be able to use your boat and your motorcycle and your skis in one day. Well, that's a weird one because that would be cross seasons. You could do it here. It's a beautiful town, Kamloops. You can do that kind of thing. But the point is as you add more things, you actually have less time to enjoy them. So the key is to find the 2 or 3 things that make you happy and ditch the rest. A good friend of mine, Jeff Marchant, I know you watch these, he has an expression that I think his dad told him, and that's, you can own everything in the world. You can own everything, just not at the same time. I have 2 concepts for this video. One of them is to tell you about stuff and things, and the other one is to explore and go up that slope. Focus pull. So anyways, I hope my words resonate with some of you and you're able to take something from this video. If you did get something from this video, or you're still watching, hit that thumbs up button. That helps me out a little bit. And if you want to see more content from me, then hit that subscribe button. If you hit the bell beside that subscribe button, that also notifies you when I upload new videos. Trying to upload every week, usually ends up being about every 2 weeks. So, I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye! Lots of bugs up here. What the heck is that thing? What is that thing? What is it?